On November 17th, officers responded to a 911 call reporting a shooting at an apartment building in Brownsville. When they arrived, they located a deceased individual and secured the scene while waiting for investigators. 2 officers remained in the building to guard evidence. While one officer was speaking with a bystander, a man suddenly stepped out of a first-floor apartment holding a shotgun.
So do dinner midnight. I got the perp with the shotgun inside the house right now.
For a shotgun?
Kevin, who on? Right here.
Yo, put that.
No, in the left, Cover yourself. Stay here, stay here.
Put it down, man. Put it down. Yo, put it down.
He's inside the house.
Put it down.
Come on, your hands. Yeah.
Come on. With your hands up. Come on.
And away from the door in the hallway, just keep eyes on the door so we got the door. Go out.
Yo.
There's
Stay here, stay here. Just come here. I got eyes on the door. Go on the other side.
in the back of the building and watch the window. What floor is it?
There's a first floor.
3 David midnight. It's the first floor, middle apartment. It's gonna be male black with the ski mask on, with the shotgun in his hand.
Where's the exit?
Just go to that gate, see if he doesn't jump out.
But the gate is locked.
Just check if he jumps out or nothing. Yo, are you coming out? Are you coming out or no? Let me see your hands.
Where is it?
I'm hit.
Even after being hit in the face, Officer Waris returned fire. The suspect retreated back into the apartment and was later found deceased inside. Officer Waris was quickly transported to the hospital and treated for facial injuries caused by birdshot pellets. His injuries were not life-threatening, and he was released later that day.